Check departure, good afternoon, 5145, climbing to 1000 for 5000 via the 10 6.
Endeavor 5145, near departure, radar contact, climb maintain 8000, stay out to leaving.
We'll climb to 8000, we're leaving 2100 now, Endeavor 5145.
Endeavor 5145, just be advised, your readback was barely readable. It came in very staticky and broken up.
We're climbing to 2400 now. We're going to continue to 8000, Endeavor 5145. Is this any better?
I heard you, but barely. Endeavor 5145, turn right, heading 290.
Right, heading 290, Endeavor 5145.
Endeavor 5145, turn right, heading 320, climb maintain 12000.
Right, 310, climb maintain 12000, Endeavor 5145.
Endeavor 5145, I need you to make that right turn now immediately, heading 320. This is the third transmission that you've gotten incorrect now.
We are having a little bit of an issue. Can you give us a block? We're just sorting it out right now, sir, for Endeavor 5145. We're going to need a block of head.
What altitude do you need?
Altitude, we're fine. It's the heading that we cannot track right now, and I'm running the checklist as we speak.
Okay, Endeavor 5145, continue your right turn. I'll tell you when to stop your turn.
Sounds good. We'll continue right turn. You still called when to stop the turn. In New York, can we actually stop the climb at 10,000? That probably will help a little bit too.
Endeavor 5145, stop your climb at 10,000. Expect some delaying vectors until we figure out what you need.
Sounds good. Thank you, sir. 10,000, we'll stop the climb and we'll continue the right turn until you call it.
Endeavor 5145, stop your turn.
We'll stop the turn right now, Endeavor 5145.
Endeavor 5145, make a right turn.
Right turn, Endeavor 5145.
I'll tell you when to stop that turn again, just like before.
Sounds good. There is a very good likelihood that we'll have to go back, but I'll keep you posted.
I understand, Endeavor 5145, and this radio that you're using is still coming in very weak and barely readable.
Okay, we'll try on the second radio, Endeavor 5145.
Endeavor 5145, I'm showing you climbing. Just make sure you level at 10 if you can, please.
Roger, level at 10.
Endeavor 5145, continue your right turn when you're able as well.
Continuing that right turn, Endeavor 5145.
Endeavor 5145, stop turn. Endeavor 5145, stop your turn.
We're stopping the turn.
Endeavor 5145, for your information, I'm showing you on about a 040 heading.
Alright, that's getting a little closer to what we're showing, Endeavor 5145.
Endeavor 5145, when you have the opportunity, I'm just looking for a little bit more information of what issues you're having, and if you want to declare an emergency or if any assistance is needed that I can provide.
Stand by, we'll let you know.
Understood, thanks.
In New York, Endeavor 5145. I'm just going to talk to companies, see what the game plan is, and chances are we're going to head back to JFK. Stand by. I will let you know what the course of action is. Thank you so much for your assistance.
I'm sorry, Endeavor. I was on the landline there, so I missed most of that. Do you need any other assistance at this time?
New York, Endeavor 5145. Just stand by. We're going to contact company. We're looking at potentially going to JFK.
Okay. Are you able to descend at all? Could you work at maybe 9 or 1,000?
Yes, we can do 9 or 1,000, 5145.
That's great. Endeavor 5145, descend to maintain 9 or 1,000.
So maintain 9 or 1,000, Endeavor 5145.
Endeavor 5145, I'm going to give you another right turn. If you can start a right turn now, I'll tell you when to stop.
Starting right turn, 5145.
Endeavor 5145, stop turn.
Stop and turn.
Endeavor 5145, for planning purposes, I just want to confirm that you're going to be going to JFK. If that's the case, we're going to try to get you over into their airspace so we can sequence you in when you're ready.
Yeah, that'll be the best course for us, going to JFK. We're not quite ready yet, but yeah, over into the airspace will be all right for 5145.
Okay, there 5145, no problem. Does this altitude work for you when you're running through your checklist, or did you want anything else?
Yeah, this altitude works for now for running the checklist.
There 5145, roger. You can start a right turn again, maintain 9,000. You let me know when you're ready to go back inbound to JFK, and we'll work you out from there.
All right, we'll start that right turn, maintaining 9,000, and we'll let you know. Thank you so much for your help. 5145.
No problem. There 5145, we're going to vector you now towards JFK. Make a left turn.
All right, turning this into a left turn, there 5145.
There 5145, stop turn.
Stop in the turn.
There 5145, we're going to give you a frequency change. Just let me know when you're ready to copy that.
Go ahead for that frequency change.
And there 5145, contact Kennedy departure on 132.4, 32.4.
32.4, Endeavor 5145. Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome. So long.
Kennedy, Endeavor 5145.
Sir, 5145 New York, good evening, fly heading 090.
Alright, we'll try and fly heading of 090. We've been having a hard time holding any headings. LaGuardia was just turning us and telling us when to stop.
Okay, Endeavor 5145, turn left, start the turn now, I'll let you know when to stop.
Alright, starting the turn, you'll let us know. Thank you, 5145.
Yeah. And Endeavor 5145, are you guys ready to come inbound now to Kennedy, or do you still want some time to do some checklists?
We are currently on the line with company and trying to run a checklist, see if we can troubleshoot, but so yeah, not quite for 5145.
Roger that.
Kennedy, Endeavor 5145, just want to let you know. So our problem is that we're, all three heading sources are showing something different, so we don't know which one to follow. And so we're currently on the line, or trying to get a hold of company to see if they want us to go to JFK or not.
Okay, understood. All three heading sensors are showing something different, so you don't know which one to follow. And I guess, you know, we'll declare the emergency for you if you haven't done it already yourself.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, that'll be good for 5145.
There, 5145, thank you, sir. And when able, just let me know how many people are on board and how much fuel in pounds.
We'll let you know. We'll try and get that real quick.
Thank you. Endeavor 5145, I'm just curious, the heading sources, you look like you're flying about a 120 heading right now. Do any of the heading sources correlate with that?
Yes, it looks like it might be working right now. At first, so the procedure is we cross-check all three sources, but neither one will seem to be giving us reliable information, including the compass. So that's why we're a little baffled and trying to troubleshoot. Looks like we actually have the autopilot back on, and it seems to be working. I just have to run it by company, make sure they don't want us to do anything different, and I'll get back to you.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
No problem. Thank you for helping us.
No problem. And Endeavor 5145, I do need you to turn left. If able, fly heading 060. If you'd like, I could just call the turn.
I will try to do it on our own. If it doesn't work, I'll ask you to call. So you want a left turn 060, correct?
That is correct, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. In New York, are you showing us on a 060 heading now?
Endeavor 5145, I am, yes.
Thank you, sir. Something is working finally.
No problem.
NER friend of 5145, is he ready? We have 73 souls on board, and a fuel remaining of about 2 hours.
2 hours, okay, thank you. They just, they want me to get the fuel in pounds. Whenever you can get that calculation, it'd be much appreciated.
Even easier, 8.6 pounds, 1,000 pounds.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.